Have you ever heard that cheesy cliché, unity makes strength? Well, that is not always the case with foods. Did you know that some nutrients compete against each other to enter the body during digestion? The competition is related to bioavailability. That is, the capacity of a substance to be absorbed by the cells and execute its function. That means that if a nutrient is more present than the others, it will receive preference, while the ones found in lesser amounts will be less absorbed. The thing is that since childhood, we are used to hearing that some food combinations are bad for our health and can even cause death in some cases. Have you ever heard something like that? Mango and milk, for example, is one of those combinations that, according to many people, is very harmful to anyone who dares to take it. Well, and to answer this question, according to nutritionists, combining mango and milk doesn't harm your health, and no one dies from consuming these two ingredients together. Otherwise, no one would eat mango ice cream, right? This myth originated in 16th century Brazil during slavery to stop slaves from stealing foods that were expensive and exclusive to the nobles. Now let's see 4 food combos that should be avoided. 1. Fruits during meals. Fruits go through the stomach and into the intestine very quickly. When you combine fruits with other foods that take longer to be digested, like meat and grains, they ferment because of the sugar. Eat fruits 30 to 60 minutes before your meals. Eating fruits before a meal prepares the digestive system for what is about to come. The water of the fruits washes and hydrates the digestive system, and fiber and enzymes activate the chemical process of digestion. After a meal, wait at least 3 hours before eating fruit to prevent the fermentation of foods. This is an Ayurveda practice, did you know that? 2. Concentrated sources of protein. Since we are talking about Ayurveda, let's talk about other foods that aren't advised by it. Combining different meats or fish. Bacon, eggs, nuts, and yogurt are also included here. The combination of 2 concentrated sources of proteins in the same meal should be avoided. The reason is that concentrated proteins take too long to decompose, hindering digestion and depleting all body energy. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 3. Tomato and cucumber. Colorful cold salads are always a treat on hot days and during diets, right? However, combining tomatoes and cucumber in the same salad is not recommended by experts. Recent studies show that these 2 vegetables together cause the formation of some salts that are responsible, among other things, for bloating. The combination also inhibits the absorption of vitamins. 4. Animal protein and starchy foods. Meat and potatoes, chicken and pasta, turkey sandwich. Have you ever eaten any of these? If you combine an animal protein with starchy foods, the different gastric juices inhibit their efficiency. The protein rots and the carbs ferment. Did you know that? The enzymes of these different foods, when combined, result in gas and flatulence. If this is your only available option, add some vegetables and green leaves to lessen the negative side effects. Now that you know some of the food combinations to avoid, it is important to understand that each food has a complex substance composition. The possibilities of chemical reactions are numberless and also depend on the general health of your body. This is why nutritionists and endocrinologists run exams before preparing a diet or determining the need for certain substances to balance the patient's body processes. So, it is essential to rely on reliable sources of information and the support of a health professional to avoid myths and not make bad choices for your health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.